exploring the phrase, add texture, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, add texture. This phrase might sound simple, but it has a depth of meaning that can really enhance your English communication. So, let's get started and unravel the layers of meaning behind add texture. Before we delve into the phrase, add texture, it's essential to understand what texture means. Typically, when we think of texture, we think of the feel or appearance of a surface or a material, like the roughness of sandpaper or the smoothness of silk. But in language, texture refers to the quality, complexity, or richness in someone's speech or writing. It's all about adding depth and interest to make the communication more engaging and vivid. Now, let's focus on the phrase, add texture. When someone says they want to add texture to their speech or writing, they mean they want to make it more interesting, detailed, and engaging. It's like adding different layers of meaning or emotion, much like an artist adds different layers of paint to create a masterpiece. Examples in use. In storytelling, a writer might add texture by describing the setting in detail, making the story more immersive. A speaker might add texture to a speech by including personal anecdotes, making their talk more relatable and engaging. Adding texture is crucial because it makes communication more effective and memorable. It's not just about conveying information, it's about connecting with your audience on a deeper level. Whether in writing or speaking, when you add texture, you're inviting your audience to fully engage with your content, to feel, imagine, and understand more profoundly. And that's a wrap on Add Texture. I hope this video has added some texture to your understanding of English phrases. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its depth and richness, and phrases like add texture are keys to unlocking that beauty. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and, as always, happy learning. We hope to see you in our next video.